Hello, hello, good morning. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நமக்கு லீவ். ஸோ அதனால ஃபுல் டே கூட நம்ம லைவ்ல உட்காந்துருக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் இன்னைக்கு மார்னிங் கொஞ்சம் ஏர்லி 10 minutes ஏர்லியாக நம்ம கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் சி how the market is going to perform today. So accordingly we can able to share our screens, and then we will just locate our trade where it is. Oh, let's talk about on yesterday. So let's talk about on yesterday trade. So yesterday trade, actually I don't wanted to trade, but the FOMO was there. So the FOMO is not leaving everyone. So I just did one trade in FOMO, but that end up in loss. Where I will tell exactly. I told you know yesterday in last moment I think the C period got crossed, so might be in a down direction like that. But still our OA data was in upside. But still my FOMO wanted to take a trade because the directions is something is going down, because the order flows everything is says downside, so we'll take downside trade. I have taken here, I have taken somewhere here actually. So within one or two candle itself, it's hit my stop loss. So yesterday trade was here only. Mm, Within, I think within 5-10 minutes, it's my stop loss has been hit. Okay, let's see. So what's next for today? So stop loss is hit, finish. So we don't want to worry about it. Then we will be looking into other options. And I told you that the ledge here it is. So this ledge also today important for us. So here on, okay. Why two area we marked as ledge? First of all, this one downside, this one upside. See this upside with volume profile order. இது volume profile ஓடே இருக்கு. Same location. And here also the super ledge is here. So the 24,200 is very strong as of now. So let's see how it's going actually further. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும், ஐம் பாபி. நான் மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல் யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கேன் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் 1.5 years. ஸோ நான் இதை பற்றின ட்ரேடிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ், ட்ரேடிங் வந்து நான் வந்து எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ட்ரேடிங் ஸ்கில்ஸை நான் மார்க்கெட்டில் அப்ளை பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். ஸோ இது எல்லாமே எப்படி ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகும் அப்படின்றது வந்து ஈஸியாக வந்து நம்மளால் ப்ரிடிக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல் வந்து நமக்கு கொடுக்குற ஒரு எட்ஜ். ஸோ அந்த எட்ஜுக்காக தான் ஆக்சுவலி நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். So volume profile and market profile both I'm using almost last 1.5 years, and then I read 2-3 books like kind of a market or mind over markets and profiling markets. That's one. So these two books are very helpful to me for about understand the concept about market profile and volume profile both. So market profile and volume profile both நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால தான் நம்மளோட சேனல் நேமே வந்து ப்ரொஃபைல் எட்ஜ். ஸோ we are just doing just profiling in the market. That's it. Okay, so what we do now, let's talk about on tomorrow levels and how it has been performed last week, and then like weekly, monthly and daily. See the monthly chart. Monthly chart, it has been taken many days here in market is in balance, and it has been come as imbalance, and again it's acting as an imbalance, so it is not entered into the balance. So that means market is in imbalance, and then it's in a bullish trend as well, like exactly it's in bullish, like bullish is going on as of now. That is what our monthly predictions. So let's see. So today is last month of the day, right? Last day of the month. So see this completely bullish, and then the weekly you can see the weekly also the completely bullish. So the gap, everything you can see it of it. Like four TPOs are there, almost three TPOs are there, and market like it exactly it's reached the locations. I told you this is the single print in monthly, so this is exactly reached here. So if it is we wanted to break this means and need required a more buyers to break these levels and reach to upper circuit like 24,500 it's required. So let's see how it will be like market how it is going to perform today, and another 2 minutes are there, 2 minutes are more, and weekly also we will be considered as bullish. And daily we can see. So daily, like completely, you see here market profile POC and volume profile POC. There is no much differences from this. All are inside range. And see one thing here. This one and this one. So this is a value area, right? So value area, how the value area is combining with the next value area. So it is almost a half and it is moved. That means this area also the people are there and here also the people wanted to buy. So this is what happened in this place. So like I think you wanted to understand completely that value area concept. So if in case fully observed, there is no bias. There is like same buyers, same sellers are in the same place. But if it is fully outside, that means buyers wanted to push the market. Like here, the responsive buyers came, they pushed the market like that, and the same opposite way. So this is what happening now. So it's just crossing. See this market opened outside out of the range today. So still this area looks very stronger. So 24,000, 300 and 200 both are very stronger, and we need to see the OA how it is developed. Already I opened the OA chart. I kept it ready so we can see that. Yesterday itself, you just saw only the responsive buyers was there. So responsive buyers, how long they can buy? So that is the questions are here now. If if in case they are buyers are getting enter, maybe the aggressive buyers are coming up, then okay. But if responsive buyers still they are buying and they are waiting to keep market upside, would be very difficult. See this, see this. These two location, the buyers have not reduced. 24,200, 24,000 both. And even 24,100, 24,150, all buyers are more. But in the top side, already the smart money they build their positions 24,500 and 26,000, both 24,600, these two areas. So that means they wanted to push the market upside. How they can build as positions here, like in monthly chart or weekly chart or whatever it is, the 30th July, I think this is 30th July, right? And the monthly, today is 31st, so it has to change. Okay. Next 5 minutes once finished, then only it will get updated. So they will build already. They build the positions here. So that means they are going to play in this range, like 24,300 or 24,500. So we have to very careful that these two ranges we need to work on it. Let's come to the order flow chart. So order flow, we can get some information that the first candle how it is. See the buyer, 300 lots, 192 lots, 130 lots, 200 lots again. Let's see, because they wanted to take the market upside means they have to push. Like they need a high volume of purchase should be happen here, and we will see any 30 minutes POC like naked POC anything are there or not. So naked POC is very important in the market. See here, the two naked POC are here. This one, 24,500. I think this yesterday this level we marked already. Today we just deleted that. Yeah, this level is marked yesterday. So here is a POC. This POC. Market is opened in our context is very simple. Monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish. Daily, the volume profile and market profile both are in the same location. Like it's almost just a five like one TPOs has been built there, and then just a minute, my mouse got stuck. Just a minute, be online. So my mouse actually got stuck. I don't know where it is. Yeah, let's get ready now. So, so let's come to order flow. Let it go, no problem, because this is 472 lot, 350 lot, and everything are there. So in the first candle was slow, but still buyers are interested. So let's wait some time because hope so this POC or this value area high it looks stronger. So we don't want to hurry into trade anywhere. Like we don't want to get chopped kind of this low market. So Hope so. Today also the market is going to be a range bound because this much slow if it is in the market there will be some kind of chopping it will happen. So let's see how it is. So first 5 minutes has been done, so we can see our OA change, what's happened in that. Come on, see, I will show you one thing here. See this OA development in 400, 350, 350 also it's almost nearer to 300. See this. And how the buyers have been placed, you can see this one. How the buyers has been placed in this area. So sellers, I can say this is call options, no? Call options, how they placed here exactly. It's bit different, right? This is completely OA changed today. So what is overall market OA? Let's see. And overall market OA also you can see how they build their position here. 400, 450, for 500 and even 600 also they build the positions. Very clear positions here. And 300 is of course the fight is going on. So who is winning in 300? They can come back to 200 as well, like 24,200. So we don't want to get chopped there. So we will wait clearly. We will take our steps forward because that's why it's not moving upside. Otherwise, it should have moved yesterday only. I think so. It should have moved yesterday. If these kind of sellers are not there in the market, means I showed you know right away. So that one. Good morning, Deepa ma'am. How are you? Still now the directionless. The market is going on that. So looks it will come to near 24,000 like 200 somewhere because the OA also it says the same OA. It's very strong. You can, today also we can take it as a reference of 24,200. See this. So this is our reference. How the call options are developing in this area. This area also, if developed the call options, then definitely it will come here. So here already crossed call options. Here already crossed call options. Here already crossed call options. So that means the sellers and buyers are in a equal positions on this area, 24,300. See, this is our reference. And you can see our reference. Based on our reference, it's coming up 24,400 is almost very near call options. It will touch zone. And this is almost 95 lakhs and this is almost 95 lakhs. So this one is just 1.3 crore. So it can cross, I think 30 lakhs differences are there all three. The data is actually it is on negative. So Our context actually what says that the buying happens here, the buying happened here, the POC are remaining same in the same place, volume profile POCs are remaining in the same place. The halfback and the halfback below the volume profile is like kind of a volume profile, volumes are more below the halfback, and POC also in the same location. And then we are getting like this many buyers are there, but market is not moving up. Of course, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, and daily also it shows very strong support in this area. So what the market need to do, either it should come and take support in this area and it will go. The references are here now. So these references, it will come and it will take an exactly solid support and it will go up. Otherwise, then it will remain same inside the range of it. So till the value area high, I think we can able to um, first we can able to take it as an our target. Opened in out of balance, it's trying to come inside to be a balance because the OA it's not a favor of us. I will show you OA chart very clearly. See this 24,300 it has been crossed, 24,350 it is increased, and 24,400 also it's increased. So it's clearly says that it's exactly see this before it was not touched 1.32 crore, now it is touched with the 24,200 of our base. So if this two also if it is got increase, the kind it will come down to this level only. So it has to either the chance of it is come here and take some pause, or it will come here straight away. So where exactly we marked our locations? Where exactly marked our locations? Here it is. So this area 300 and 330 and all. So there we will see. how it is going to performance. So accordingly we can able to try our best. So it can come to value very high, and then after here is a low volume is there. This location the low volume is there, 1900 low volume is there. So we can, these all are kind of a small anomaly, and then the references we have here. So till here we can hold, till here we can hold like that. So that is what is happening now. Let's see. So the count, I think it's already it's come to exactly to the value area high. So value area high once comes, so let's see so how much fast it can come to the ground. So um, it's crossed actually 24,400. It's already crossed almost 1.43 crores, and you can see the layout. So the way we are seeing the OA and the chart, and then our market profile concept and volume profile concept is it's amazing actually. So we it shows us clearly that where the market is going to be performed now. So how the market exactly it's performing, we can able to see that one. See this? So definitely it will come and stop 24,250 and 300 also it's almost crossed. So we can ride our profits where we need the which directions we can hold, and everything we can see it exactly in the um, locations and papers of it. So that's the beauty actually. So, as I mentioned earlier, here, you see, it comes to value area high, and we have low volume node here, 345 and 335. So, till here, I think we can able to wait exactly on this place. So, this area is our reference levels further. So, let's see the market is coming down or not. So, we can able to try it out. So, how we can hold it. Value area high, it's already reached. So in this value area high, it's already reached, and let's see. So it's if it is comes there or not, how the buyers, and this time we can use our this concept where it is like our order flow. The order flow this time it will be very helpful. So how that these things is getting changed. It's taking a pause here, you can see. So we were there, our base was 24,200. See this one, 24,300, and like 24,000, 24,300 is increasing, and 24,350 is increasing, 24,400 the way is increasing. And what our expectation is that it should come to this place, right? Come to the low area. So it's kind of sell on rise, it's happening. Let's see. So we had a value area high, till value area high we had a reference. It's hit already value area high, and it's going up again to the opening very fast to take out the stop loss over the people are here. This one I'm just explaining to you here. Value area high touched, and it is again it's went back to the open area. So if over the people have been accumulated the positions, as everyone is says no, like going down, crossed going down, we will take trade on downside like that. And whoever taken, they're just going to take the stop losses here. So that's what happening just now. Let's see what how it is going to be further. So again the POC shifted top side. Another 2 minutes are there in this candle. Let's wait. So because the data is on negative, told you the data is on negative. So see exactly what happening here. It's already all our sell side, but still the market is going upside. So that means there is something fishy in this. Like may it can go here and it can come back again here. So that is what is going to happening. Otherwise they have to develop the put options writers, the put writers they have to develop. Let's see. See how much big is the stop loss hunting. 100 lots. Again, it's going up exactly to the top level where we the opening was there. No, the same levels. And sellers is not there. Exactly at present candle, the sellers is not there. They may can go ahead till this level and they can come back. Let's see. See, suddenly the scenario has changed. Every stop loss, all stop loss has been taken out here. See this place. And you can see the OA chart. All call writers are here, but still the market is going upside. That means they will take out the stop loss somewhere, the people who all are placed here, and they will come back. So this is what happening. May it can like the market is highly volatile. Let's see, and might be in Bank Nifty anything. I think the sharp move has been happened. Told how fast it's going upside and the same speed it will come down. So we don't want it to get chopped in between of it. So again, actually, today market is going to be volatile in the same places, and the people slowly they're taking it upside slowly. So there is no high in the these things. So what is happening here? See, today also the IB is small. It's going to be a small IB. It just started B period, so let's wait and watch. And the type is going to be a open action. So open action, I told you, it's a very less conviction in the market. So that's only the thing that the less conviction when it is there, we will get chopped. So we don't wanted to trade in that kind of a market. So whenever it comes to chopping on these areas, so we will not do any kind of a trade. Here actually what I wanted to tell you that the data is on negative. but still the market is going up. So what does it mean that how they are making the market, they just pulling the people over there. So when actually the stop loss, when talking about on a stop loss, we have to be trail our profit actually. So whenever you enter somewhere here and then it's moved market down and you put your stop loss somewhere here, and when it moves somewhere here and put your stop loss somewhere POC, and when move somewhere down and again you can put your stop loss somewhere below the candle. So open, high, close. So this area, you can able to put to use it as a stop loss for this. So whenever it's come down, you can just put your stop loss over there. So then you will not get chopped out in the market. So easily you can able to get like take your profit. See this exactly. The POC has been shifted. Very high notes or high orders are has been entered in this place. And let's go to market profile. The market profile is here exactly. The market opened, came down, and it went up again. So the directions is not yet still clear. But based on what we have traded, like this area, I have finished my trading actually. It's like morning trade I just finished. So this was my beauty setup here. You see this uh, high volume, the entry was very high, and the candle is closed down. So what it feel me that to take trade. So this many lots have been punched, but still market closed down. So I have taken a trade somewhere in this place and have captured very minimum point, like almost 30. So this was a 57 points. So my stop loss I have set it somewhere here. So 50 points. So 50 points means in the spot chart. This is spot chart, and we will in our trading chart, like our option chart, it might be around 30 rupees. I think I might have captured. So 120 I had purchased. It's went to 155. So I exited on 142 or 143 or something. So because of my stop loss was the trailing stop loss. So it has taken a stop loss. And here also the same setup was coming up. See this. So see this one, this area, like this area. So this area, this much volume node is there, like see 115 lot is there, but market is not, it's hesitate to put upside, they going to upside, so it's again get rejecting an upside, and it is coming back to the level where it is. So we don't want to get kind of chopping in these areas. We'll wait for exactly the level where we wanted it. And I'll take back to you the chart. See this chart. We have 24,200 as reference. Earlier, this too was very high, right? Like the call writers was very high, right? In see this one, exactly 24,300. The put writers has been entered, and they are leading the positions here. So they wanted to hold the positions. So we can see clearly the area which is developing. So how we are using it? We are using the market profile, the directions, the convictions, and it's opened out of balance. It came into the range and got rejected from the value area high. It went up and it's holding the levels. This area, the holding the levels. How long? So that is we wanted to check with order flow. So once order flow is confirmed, the directions is showing down or upside or whatever it is, we can able to plan our trade accordingly. I think today also less conviction is happening because see, yesterday also the same, right? Yesterday also we can see this market opened, came down, it went up, and inside candle is formed. Same market came, market opened, came down, and again it went up, and again it's in the same positions, like the same area it's getting built. Let's see how the things are happening. See this. Uh, Till now, the IB, I will tell you. See this. 80 points. So that means 8 TPOs are there. In out of 8 TPOs, 3 TPOs has been filled. So 3 TPOs has been built in D period. That means that almost 50% convictions, like 50% of the buyers and sellers are sitting in this location. Like already the market is settled here. And let's come to the OA. See this, how the beauty of the single line is changed our view. It's exactly see this. So let's wait. 24,350. It's increasing call OA and 24,400. The call OA already it's leading, and only the 23,300 is giving an a fight. So that means there is a change in the market. Change. They wanted to give a change. Um, let's wait. Maybe in a few hours, like maybe in 1 hour, we will get to know that where exactly market wanted to go forward. See the development here actually. The development happened in 23,000, 24,300. So like the fight is going on. Exactly the fight is going on. So there is no convictions actually. So let's wait. So we have to control our FOMO like anything. Because once we just lead we get any lead somewhere from here, so we will try to do something. See this, the chopping is happening in this place. Yes, ma'am. Actually, this is chopped market. Like it's an open action type. So open action type, it will be most probably it will be like till 12 o'clock. It will be like kind of a range bound market. So maybe after 12, maybe get we will get some trade when reasonable trade we can able to get. But I think this area we can able to, like, we can just watch and wait. So we don't want it to get chopped in between. See this, we have reference of 24,200 still. But 24,300, the put options is something it's increased, and see these areas and all. So we take one as a base and we are following others. So how it is performing others. So that is what like we wanted to see. So let's see. So now it's standing here now. So either it can push to 400 and it can come back or whatever it is. So we'll be in live maybe till sometime, maybe another 1.5 hours we'll be in live. But we are just watching the market. We are not just riding any trades of it. So already I have done the morning trade, which I have explained this area. So this area we have captured what we need, we captured in this area. So whatever we are getting, that's going to be a bonus. So we don't want it to lose anymore. Like we will be watching very clearly and we will plan our trade accordingly. So that is what our funda. Okay. So let's see. We'll just be on live. Whatever any doubts, whatever anything you have it in doubt, you can just post. So actually see this, the same place the market stands on it. So we don't want it to get chopped anywhere. So we will wait for our trade exactly where we wanted to take, and relaxedly we will take our trade. So that is what I wanted to convey you all. Actually, I just been for just taken a break of 10 minutes, ma'am. So that's why actually, because it's in a chopped market, what I'm going to do here? Because there is no trade. So I just was in mute. So that's why like that. Same exactly yesterday like that. B period has been finished and then now C period. So நம்ம இந்த இடத்துலயும் அதே மிஸ்டேக் பண்ண வேண்டாம். So what we will do exactly? So நம்ம just we will wait for some time. So after we will be trade. Okay. So C period when like this is less conviction I told you till maximum 12, maybe the first half completely is going to be uh, one side, like kind of a range bound market. So actually, it's slow grinding is happening. Yesterday, actually, it's happened somewhere in this place. I was explaining this area. It was slow grinding is happening. I like 200 to 300 yesterday it was happening. Now 300 to 400 is happening. They are moving the market inch by inch upside. let's wait and watch. So what is happening exactly in the market? So based on that, like we could able to do anything because we are watching the market in a long way. So see exactly, they're just grinding is happening here. See this? Yesterday happened this place. Yesterday, day before yesterday happened this place, and yesterday happened on this place, and now it is happening on this place. They wanted to take the market somewhere here, but they're not taking us in a single shot. They're just taking, like, just grinding it up. Let's see how the things are going up. So, like, kind of this market actually, we need to just watch. That's it. We don't want it to get chopped in between. So, whatever it is, like, we will wait for some time and we will trade accordingly. We are not just like that, we will trade and we'll go like that. So let's see. So how it's going to be. Like guys, everyone, so I have a habit of every day writing habit, my trades, my entry, like where, like monthly what happens, daily what happens, and what makes me to take a trade in the chart. So by this time, actually, we can discuss about that. So like how we can able to how I'm planning my day actually. So I'm used to do just only the 1 hour trade, maximum 1 hour, 1.5 hours, not more than that. So because I have to be there in my screen, so then only I can able to trade. So how I will be planning my trade, the first 1 hour, like the first 1 hour I will be I will just plan my trade, what, where, and exactly. So monthly what happens, weekly what happens, daily what happens, and then volume profile where has been shifted, market profile where has been shifted, and any failed actions are there, or super ledge are there, or single prints are there. So this all I need to get it done. You can see in this market there is no single print last some few days. See anywhere there is no single prints. There is no single. The last single print it's happened in only one last month 8th. I think this month 8th. So this is 31st now. So this month 8th. That means that market has been trending in only one day in this month. So that is what it does means. So here you see the trending days, and of course here is trending days is there, but still you can I can zoom in and zoom out, like I can zoom in and show you. These are the trending dates. See this, like completely till H period there is no crossing of low. So this is trending day. Again, this is trending day. Like see, failed action has been happened. So see here, we have found another one day. The single print is there. It's see here, like it struggled many times and it's given a push to second half. So like you see, the trending days is very few. So trending days, we need to find out those trending days and we need to earn money from there. And see, many days are just like normal day, normal variation day. So kind of it. So we need to find those days accordingly and we need to trade. So wherever the points we are getting it, we have to just note it down in the notes. So that is what I'm doing it. So where volume profile and market profile has been shifted, the POC has been shifted, where is half back, value very high, value very low, and depends upon the value movement. So we can able to trade with those values. So let's see, very less movement now. Like around now in India, it's around 10:30. Let's see our OA data, OA where it is developing. We can see. So I think the development still in the same place. There is nothing has changed in the market. Still in the same place. These two places have been shows in the down direction only. Like it's call writers are more, not like down direction. It's call writers are more compared to put writers. So put writers are only high in this area, like 24,300 and 24,250 in this area. But comparatively these areas here the strong people are there. So see, this also strong and this also strong and here also very strong. So let's wait and watch where the buyers and sellers they're getting over the edge. So that edge we will trade. Okay, so our channel name also it's a profile edge. So that profile edge is giving us market profile and volume profile. It's give us a trade that edge. You can see we were traded from here to here, so we got the edge of it. So this edge we got it, so we traded here. We were expecting to reversal from these points where we given a low volume node at these points, but still the market profile it says this is the lost, so you can able to take your profit maximum of here. That's it. So what we need for every day, so we will get our trade on every day. So we don't want it to go and get chopped anywhere. So we'll wait, we'll trade responsibly. I will be releasing my daily levels today. So daily levels, I think at the end of the day, the market I can able to release, and for the next throughout the month, which levels I am going to follow, the where the market exactly the market wanted to take it upside or downside, and everything it will be there because last 4 days, if you see the market switch over, like the contract switch over has been happened on 29th and 30 yesterday, and today is 31st. So 3 days, and we will take last month expiry I think 28th. So this all everything we will combine it, and we will give you the levels in this month how it is going to be perfectly move forward. So that is what the market profile given a edge to for the monthly wise that trade. So that's what I'm doing. So okay, accordingly, like I can tell you how it is working and all. So let's see. So this area is getting very bored actually, the market exactly this one. So we have to maintain risk reward properly, then only we can survive in the market. You have maybe 1 lakh capital, 2 lakh capital, or 3 lakh capital, whatever it is, but you have to maintain at least 1 to 2% maximum the stop loss. When for example, I'll tell you, if in case you are trading with a 1 lakh capital, you have 1% stop loss, but how many lots you wanted to trade, that you have to decide, either one lot or two lot or three lot. You fixed your stop loss, fixed your points, how many points, how much amount you can take risk. Maybe 1% means 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees. If you take 65 quantity, like one lot, 65 quantity of trades. So 65,000 divided by 65. So 1,000 divided by 65, how much it will come? So 1,000 divided by 65, it is 1,000 rupees you can take risk. So one lot you are going to trade. So that means 15 points you can keep your stop loss. 15 rupees you can keep your stop loss. So this is what is exactly is happening now. See, when you are in a trade, you have to be focused to that. You cannot just put a trade and move out of it and all. So my like I'm completely a discretionary trader. So I will be sitting in a laptop and I'll do my trade properly, and I will exit it whatever it is. The mechanical stop I don't have, but I have a stop loss, proper mechanical stop. In stop loss I have, but I don't have that. The market will move. Okay, the market is trending here, so I wanted to make my system. It should take a trade and it will finish it off it like that. So I'll be sit here, market opened out of balance, and still there is no directions has been finalized here. So this directions is not finalized. So I will wait for my directions to finish it off it. So I will get clarity out of this market. So then only I could able to try to take on any kind of a trade. Like you see this exactly. So what is happening? The grinding is happening. Nothing. It's same momentum, same place. It's just moving out of it. We'll wait for some time. Like after we will be closing our trade, closing our live. See one thing here, like still now there is no moment here. So I have marked the location also. I'll show you this. See this. So this is our reference. This is our reference actually. This is our reference. And see, this is our reference. In this range only the market is there. This range is market. So when it breaks this range, then only the possible. And we have the references of 24,200 uncrossed. I think many lines are there. It's so see this 200 is our pot, 300 1.5 crore and huge. If we come to multi OA strike, so just have a review about it. Multi OA strike. So multi OA strike, you can see the call side how the developments are happened here, and 24,300 just crossed about it. So that means both the side the well fight is going on. So who is going to lose? So that is what now the development. See that 24,350 the call options how it's increasing in these two areas. Well fight is happening here. So if you go to multi OA strike, if you go to intraday is just chopping. See this go went up, went down, went up, went down like that. So it's 1.5 crore. The put options and call options is 1.37 crores. Yes, again, we have come back now. Just see now what is happening. Like, let's take it up on OA chart. OA chart, what is happening? OA is still in the same place. Same fighting is going on. 24,300 and 200 both. 300 have increased put options almost 1.5 crore. And same you can see 24,350. The call options is more, like here is call options is more. The fight is happening this place. So who is going to win? And that's the people. They are going to collect all premiums within these 50 points, whatever it is. So they are keeping market in stable now. So we can wait till around 12 o'clock, I think, after European markets open. So then we can see some momentum in the market wherever it is, maybe upside or downside, whatever it is. So still that we can able to wait further. So we'll trade accordingly over there. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then thanks for joining today. And we will be connecting tomorrow.